Exercise is supposed to energize you, strengthen you, and extend your life. But for many people over 50, something strange happens. The more they exercise, the more tired they feel. The harder they push, the more drained and weak they become. Instead of building strength, they are unknowingly breaking themselves down. Why? Because most people over 50 are making a critical mistake. They are training their bodies as if they are still 25, ignoring the deep biological changes that come with age. Without understanding and adjusting for these changes, even healthy habits can accelerate exhaustion, muscle loss, joint damage, and systemic inflammation. Today we will uncover the number one exercise mistake people over 50 make, why doing more is sometimes the worst choice, and how to exercise smarter, not harder, for lifelong strength and energy. This is not about doing less. It is about doing better and protecting your vitality for decades to come. Let's dive in and unlock the exercise wisdom your body has been begging you to hear. 2. The big mistake: training for exhaustion, not recovery. Somewhere along the way we were taught, more sweat equals more results. More soreness equals more progress. More exhaustion equals more success. This mindset might work temporarily when you are 20 or 30 years old with high hormonal resilience and rapid recovery. But after 50, the rules change dramatically. Here's what happens inside your body after 50. Slower recovery, muscle repair. Joint healing and cellular energy renewal take longer. The same workout that used to refresh you now drains you if recovery is ignored. Hormonal shifts, levels of testosterone growth. Hormone and estrogen decline, making it harder to rebuild tissue and adapt to physical stress. Increased inflammation. Aging bodies naturally produce more inflammatory signals. Intense, relentless training without proper pacing magnifies this inflammation, leading to joint pain, fatigue, and immune suppression. Muscle fiber changes. Fast twitch. Muscle fibers, the ones responsible for strength and power, decline faster after 50. Training needs to shift toward preserving both strength and endurance carefully, not blindly chasing exhaustion. When you continue to train for exhaustion instead of training for smart recovery, you silently break down more muscle than you build. Stress your heart and joints unnecessarily. Suppress your immune system. Burn out your energy reserves. Age yourself faster at the cellular level. The tragic part: most people do not realize the damage until they hit a wall, an injury, a chronic fatigue episode, or a deep loss of motivation they cannot explain. Exercise after 50 is not about how much you can endure. It is about how intelligently you can challenge your body while nurturing its ability to recover, rebuild, and grow stronger. The new gold standard is this: progress should feel invigorating, not crushing. Training should leave you energized, not depleted. In the next section, we will uncover the critical signs that your exercise routine is hurting, not helping, and how to recognize them before serious damage occurs. Stay with me. You are about to learn the true secret to lifelong strength and vitality. 3 warning signs when exercise is breaking you down, not building you up. Your body is always speaking to you. When exercise shifts from being helpful to harmful, it rarely happens overnight. It starts with small, subtle warning signs. Signs you must learn to recognize early. Here are the major red flags that your exercise routine is silently hurting you. Persistent fatigue. Feeling tired after a workout is normal, but if you feel drained for hours or even days afterward, your recovery system is overwhelmed. True fitness should boost your daily energy, not steal it. Increased joint pain. Mild soreness in muscles is one thing, but chronic aches, stiffness, or sharp pains in the knees, hips, shoulders, or lower back are signs of cumulative joint stress and inflammation, not growth. Declining performance. If your strength, stamina, or flexibility is slowly worsening, despite regular exercise, it means your body is not adapting. It is breaking down faster than it is rebuilding. Sleep disturbances. Overtraining stimulates cortisol, the stress hormone, disrupting deep sleep. Poor sleep then compounds fatigue, muscle loss, and emotional burnout. Mood changes. Feeling irritable, anxious, unmotivated, or emotionally flat after exercise often signals hormonal exhaustion, not healthy exertion. Frequent illness or injury. A suppressed immune system from overtraining increases vulnerability to colds, infections, and nagging injuries that never fully heal. Loss of enthusiasm. Exercise should leave you feeling empowered, accomplished, and alive. If you find yourself dreading workouts or forcing yourself through sheer willpower, something deeper is out of balance. These signs are not weaknesses. They are intelligent feedback from a body that still wants to grow stronger, but needs a smarter approach. How to respond immediately. Listen before it becomes a scream. Rest, recover, and adjust your program at the first signs of chronic fatigue, pain, or emotional burnout. Shift your focus. Aim for sustainable progress, not brutal intensity. Prioritize recovery as much as effort. Recovery practices, sleep, nutrition, hydration, stretching, deep breathing are just as critical as the workout itself. Adjust your mindset. Stop measuring success by how exhausted you feel. Start measuring it by how energized, strong, and balanced you feel day by day. Fitness after 50 is not a race. It is a partnership between you and your evolving body, built on respect, wisdom, and strategic care. In the next section, we will reveal how to create a smarter, stronger exercise strategy that energizes your body instead of breaking it down. Stay with me. You are closer than you think to unlocking the strongest years of your life. 4. The new approach. Exercise for recovery. Strength and longevity. After 50, the goal of exercise must evolve. It is no longer about punishing your body or chasing exhaustion. It is about strategically building resilience, energy, and youthful vitality for decades to come. Here's how to reframe exercise for lifelong strength and recovery. Prioritize quality. Over quantity, short-focused workouts are far more powerful than long, draining sessions. A 30-minute session of smart strength training, stretching, or cardio can build far more vitality than hours of scattered effort. Focus on strength training. Maintaining and rebuilding muscle mass is non-negotiable after 50. Strength training 2 to 3 times per week preserves lean muscle, boosts metabolism, protects joints, and maintains independence. Prioritize. Compound movements, squats, rows, push-ups, functional exercises, standing balances, lightweight carries, core strengthening planks, bird dogs. Integrate recovery days. Recovery is when your body repairs, rebuilds, and grows stronger. Plan rest days, or active recovery days, like light walking, yoga, or stretching between intense sessions. Protect joint health. Incorporate mobility exercises to maintain flexibility and prevent stiffness. Pay special attention to shoulders, hips, knees, and ankles. Adapt intensity to energy levels. Some days you will feel strong, push a little harder. Other days you will feel tired. Scale back. Train with the body you have today, not the body you remember from decades ago. Master your breathing proper. Breathing supports endurance, recovery, and calmness. Focus on deep diaphragmatic breathing during and after workouts. Expand your definition of fitness. True fitness includes strength, flexibility, balance, cardiovascular health, emotional resilience, joy in movement. Choose a wide variety of activities that challenge your body gently and keep your spirit engaged. Fitness after 50 is about building a resilient, adaptive body that supports your passions, dreams, and daily freedom. It is about energy, not ego. It is about capability, not collapse. It is about creating a body that serves you with strength and grace for decades to come. In the next and final section, we will pull it all together and reveal how small shifts today can lead to a lifetime of powerful, joyful living. Stay with me. Your best chapters are still unwritten. 5 stronger, smarter, and younger at every age. Aging is inevitable, but decline is not. The choices you make today, the way you move, recover, nourish, and respect your body, determine not just how long you live, but how fully, how freely, and how joyfully you live. You now understand the truth. Exercise is not a punishment. Pain is not a sign of progress. Exhaustion is not a badge of honor. True strength after 50 is about moving smarter, not harder. It is about nurturing your body's incredible ability to adapt, recover, and grow resilient, even as the years pass. Imagine this: waking up each morning energized, not aching. Lifting grandchildren, hiking trails, dancing at celebrations without fear or hesitation. Feeling pride, confidence, and vitality flowing through every fiber of your being. This is not reserved for a lucky few. This is available to you through small, wise daily commitments. Every step you take today builds the body you will live in tomorrow. Every smart workout, every night of good sleep, every nourishing meal strengthens your foundation for the future. You are not past your prime. You are entering a new era of power if you choose it. Respect your body, challenge it with wisdom, recover with care, and you will not just add years to your life. You will add life to your years. Stronger, smarter, younger at every age. Your journey is just beginning, and it is going to be extraordinary.